kitchen. In the kitchen, I know my way. I know my way in the kitchen. All I can say is that this meal slaps. It is a healthy and balanced meal, and it's quick and easy. Please go and try it for yourselves. Today we are making a very tasty, healthy, and quick dinner. So stick around, watch until the end. Please don't drop in the middle. Stumellan Sanbonani, everybody. Greetings, Skim Sam. I hope you're all well wherever you are. If you're not well, I'm sending good vibes your way. And if it is your birthday today, or by the time when you're watching this video, happy birthday to you. By the way, my name is Siru, direct translation, Butterfly, and I go by Miss Butterfly. I go by Siru. I go by Butterfly. So choose any of those and address me accordingly. Please, let's get on to the cooking. We are making a sheet pan meal, a sheet pan dinner. It's like a one-pot meal. Difference here is that you just take everything and throw in a pan, and off it goes into the oven for baking or for grilling. Our ingredients include baby marrow, broccoli and cauliflower, red onion, red pepper. Lastly, we have egg, which is the star of this meal. And I found an already prepared and already seasoned egg ready at the supermarket, and I could not leave it. Why not, if it is going to save me time? You can see where it is well seasoned. There's peppers there, red, green, there's onion, there's lemon. You can see nice spices. I'm happy. While on the ingredients, let us not forget our lovely sweet potato, which gets prepared first and cooked or baked separately, not being mixed with the rest of the ingredients. I start with sweet potatoes first because they take longer to grill in the oven. Also, I want them to retain their unique taste, which is sweet. I don't like mixing the salty and the sweet vegetables. For seasoning, I'm going to use olive oil, followed by garlic flakes, then paprika, cinnamon. I love cinnamon because it brings out the sweetness of the sweet potato as well as the flavor. I prefer pink salt, but it's finished. I prefer pink salt, but as you can see here, I ran out. So I'm going to use normal salt, just a little bit. A little bit. Look how nice the color is. Very nice. Then I'm going to transfer into the baking dish. Okay. And halfway through, I take them out and I turn or I toss them to ensure that they are cooked evenly on both sides. Goes back in for the last few minutes, well roasted. Here we have our parboiled potatoes. Parboiling helps with softening the potatoes so that they cook at the same rate as the rest of the other ingredients that are going in the same pan. I prefer seasoning my vegetables separately because I want each and every ingredient to have its own unique taste. So for the parboiled potatoes, I already added a little bit of salt during the parboiling process. So for now, I'm only going to go in with the garlic and herb, inner parmesan garlic and herb seasoning, as well as our olive oil. Only these two ingredients for this, because there's already salt, a little bit of salt in here. All the remaining ingredients are cleaned. That is, they are cut into bite-sized pieces. They are washed and are ready for seasoning. Thereafter, they'll be transferred into a one pan together with our egg. Here is our baby marrow cut into bite-sized pieces. It's also cleaned, and we are going to mix it with the other veggies and give them a good mix, season, and then transfer into the one pan. Then here for seasoning, we are going again with inner parmesan, gluten-free vegetable spice, as well as our olive oil, just 2. Smells so good. I cannot wait to dig in. Our meal is almost done, but I just want to toss them a little bit because they are a bit cramped. My pan is a bit small. I have to buy a new pan. The last time I went home, I took my bigger pan with because I wanted to prepare something for them at home and I forgot it, so I'm stuck with this small one. But it's not a train smash. They coming out nicely. Our meal is coming out nicely. I am happy. I just want to turn the vegetables to toss them. What do the chefs say? They toss them. Do they turn or do they toss? Whatever that is, just a little bit, not much. Sweet potatoes were done a little while ago and I forgot to show you guys. Here they are, nice, crispy and soft. I use a toothpick to test whether they are well done or not. We are done, guys, but we have to taste. Before the family can come and dig in, let us taste. Let us give some taste before the people that I'm cooking for can taste. Let us, the family here in the butterfly house, taste. Let's start with I took a big piece. Number 1. Potatoes are very nice. Let's go to the greens.
And the peppers. Let's go on to the peppers. And then cauliflower. And then the star of the meal, guys, all I can say is that this meal slaps. It is a bit of everything. You have your greens, you have carbohydrates, you have your potatoes, you have egg, you have greens. What more can one ask for? Even in winter, we must still eat healthy. This is a healthy and balanced meal, and it's quick and easy. Please go and try it for yourselves. It slaps. It slaps hard. It slaps hard. Even if I have to give myself credit, I will do that, because in the kitchen, I know my way. I know my way, Chomi. I know my way. In the kitchen, I know my way. I know my way in the kitchen. If you have watched until the end, thank you so much. I appreciate you greatly. Please show the video some love by clicking the like button, by commenting if you have anything to say, by sharing so that somebody somewhere can also watch. You'll never know who might find value in this video. So please click like, comment, and subscribe. And when watching and we're not a member, why are you not subscribing? Don't be like that, man. Subscribe and become part of Iskim Sam. Become part of the Butterfly House member. Come and be Skim Sam. I'm asking, just subscribe. Thank you guys. Until the next one. Goodbye.